freaking sleigh, man.
I've tried.
Old lady's getting in the back, bro. This is freaking sleigh.
They're like trying to get on me, but they make a bullet.
Okay, lay down. Give me a piece of food or something.
Wait, it's coming. It's already coming.
It's coming. Okay, be ready, be ready. Yeah, you're coming, you're coming.
Come on, baby.
Ramon, get ready, bro. Get ready, bro. Stay still, bro. You have to be fast. Oh my god, there's another bird! They're gonna fight or something! What is that?
That's not a fucking seagull, bro. It's literally gulped down that whole entire popcorn, bro. It's stuck in his throat. It's just.